Hi Early World History class, this is Mr. Germain's Canvas course, and this video focuses on your third week of your class materials. This is going to be the Protestant Reformation, and the first assignment is going to be a reading and a question assignment as well. The first link is going to be where you're going to view your reading assignment. Again, it's going to be a one-page document that you will be able to focus on the church on the eve of the Reformation. It's going to give you a setting, loss of the prestige, the church and the Renaissance, and these pieces of information you're going to use to answer the questions that are also listed in the Protestant Reformation reading and question activity. This document will pop up. If you want to use the Word document to type in your answers, you will enable editing, and you will type in your responses based off of the reading. If you would like, it would be a good idea to have the reading and the questions side by side so you don't have to flip back and forth. You can see what it is that it's asking, and you can hunt it down within inside of the document. So, once you have done that, to submit the assignment, you have a couple of choices. You can upload the Word document that you have edited, or you can go to your text entry and type up your responses there. Just be sure to hit Submit Assignment before you exit out of the screen, or it won't be sent to Mr. Germain for grading. Assignment number 2 for week 3 is going to focus in on the Protestant Reformation document questions. These questions are going to be giving you a document that you're going to analyze and then answer questions about the claims, evidence, words and phrases, and what is left out by the author. You can click on the document that Mr. Germain has given you, and it will give you the document with 4 spots for you to answer the questions in. Or you can go towards the bottom, and I have given you sentence starters. This document is going to give you the same information that you were given by Mr. Germain. It's just giving you a little bit of an extra support. So it still has the document at the top, and inside of the passage, each question I have underlined and bolded what I'm asking for you to focus in on. And I've taken Mr. Germain's discussions and put them a little bit inside of the parentheses. So claims is thinking about what is the author saying using this document. The author is saying blank. Finish the sentence. What evidence, in other words, info from the document, does the author use to support those claims? Evidence from the document that supports the author's claims include ... Finish the sentence. Question number 3. What word or phrases does the author use to convince that he or she is right? Big thing here, there is no sentence starter here because you're pulling actual word and sentences from the document. So you can be using quotes to show that you're pulling straight from the document itself. And then last but not least, what information does the author leave out? This is referring to what do you know about this time frame or this document that the author is not mentioning. So you would say the author left out details about, and then finish the sentence. If you would like to use this document, you can click on the link up here and it will allow you to download it, and you can type on your own computer. Just make sure that you save the Word document you're typing in to your computer first before you try to upload it. And once you have done that, you would go back to the Protestant Reformation document question, and you would go and submit your assignment here. If you have any questions or concerns about the assignments, please make sure to ask Mr. Germain or I so that way we can support. And I hope that you have a great day.